see you. That is how I know.
Sa underground river. So yung source ng tubig dito sa galing ilalim. Spring water and flowing. Yan. So we are about 250 meters below the ground or 750 feet. Light up. Lalaman tayo na walang ilaw. This because it's always hanging.